We are unboxing the new camera A80 from Apeman, which was sent to us by our sponsor Apeman. This is an action camera which cost around 70 United Kingdom, £70 UK pounds on Amazon.co.uk, and it costs comparable amounts on other markets, so it costs much less than anything that GoPro can make, which costs at least £199, which is almost 3 times this, and this comes with a lot of things, a lot of stuff, a lot of accessories. We will go to see what is inside the box. When we open the box, we get a nice case, first of all. And when we open it, we find the camera in a nice looking underwater case. Apeman says it can go to 30 meters underwater. We will see it. But it's well done. It's not a toy. It's a well done case with quality at the hand, that feel that is comparable to any other high quality underwater case. Here is the camera. What we find is a camera with 2 batteries. One is inside and one is here. So it comes with 2 batteries. It comes with a replacement with plastic window for the case. Comes with this mount to use it on your bicycle, with a cable and with many other things. All these are compatible with GoPro. The mount is the same, so if you have other accessories used for other action camera, the chance is you can use it with Apeman. Nothing is wasted. Comes with a lot of stuff. This is a plastic case that it can be used to put the Apeman A80 camera on a tripod. You put it inside like this, and then it can be placed on a tripod. The camera by itself, it feels good at the touch. It's not a toy. It's a proper action camera with quite high quality. I have seen reviews on several magazines, and all the reviews talk about an appreciable quality, which we are going to test in the next video. But this is something nice, especially considering the cost. It does not have a touch screen. You have to use it, all the menu, through buttons. Here, the menu are not very clear. You need sometimes to check the instruction manual first, but once you get accustomed, it's instinctive. It goes very well. It goes very fast. One thing that's worth noticing: the Apeman say this is a 4K camera, which is technically true, but is a 4K resolution only in 4:3 format. In 16:9, it's not 4K. You cannot arrive at 4K resolution on 16:9 format, only in 4:3. And nowadays YouTube, all the videos are in 16:9. But it does have a better option of file format than, for example, the old GoPro Hero 4. It does have a higher resolution than the basic GoPro, which still costs 3 times as much. It costs £199, while this costs 70, and it does not come with all these accessories. So actually, it may be an excellent choice as a second or a third action camera, or it may be an excellent choice if you just don't want to spend so much and still have a product that is a serious product. It's not a toy at all. It comes with a lot of things. These are 3M, so they are supposed to be good qualities to stick to your car, or to something else, or to your sport equipment without giving way. Got this to stick somewhere else with a safety metal stripe. The quality by 3M let us think that the glue will really work, will not detach. And this is all what you get. Something important is that you get 2 batteries. Inside the box there are 2 batteries. This does not happen with other sport camera. You get 1 battery, then if you want to buy another battery original, it costs a fortune. Here you get already 2 batteries. You have to note, however, that it does not have touch screen. This is true, but it does have Wi-Fi function. So if you need, you can connect to your computer by Wi-Fi. You don't need to take out the memory card. Altogether, for £70, which is 70% less than any other competitor from America, GoPro for example, is really worth considering. This is all what you find in the box. With another video we will check its technical specification and its performance, and we will see how it performs in real life action. Thank you for watching.